Welcome to Integrazo. In this video, I'll show you how to connect this plugin with your product. You can find the plugin download link in the description below. Let's get started.
After activating the plugin, go to the plugin setup page from your WordPress dashboard.
Now click on Select Plugin. A pop-up will open. Choose your plugin from the list. Next, click on Select Product. A pop-up will open. Choose your product from the list. After selecting both, click on the Save and Next button. Next, in Step 2, add your account authentication details. First, enter your account name for identification. Next, select your account data center name. Next, click the Authenticate and Next button. Now it will redirect you to your Zoho account. Here, review the permissions and click Accept. After that, it will redirect you back to the WordPress plugin page. Now we're in the Map Field section. Under Select Event, choose Product Created. This means the automation will trigger whenever a new product is created. Now, select the required action from the drop-down menu. Next, choose the organization from the list. After selecting both, click on the Save and Next button. Now the field mapping area will open. On the left side, the WooCommerce fields will appear, and on the right side, the product fields will appear. Here, simply map the fields. After completing the field mapping, click on the Save Mapping button. Now the integration is completed successfully. Next, go to the Setup page. Here, all your integrations will be listed. You can enable or disable any integration using the toggle button. Next, click on the Logs tab at the top. Here, all the entries are listed, including successful and failed records. If needed, you can also resync the entries from here. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Don't forget to check the plugin link in the description.